minutes slow. Okay. So if it's a lot higher, it'd be fine. So next time when I put it up, I'm gonna put it higher. There it is. Nice. Alright, so we're going camping for Thanksgiving. Got the truck all packed up. Just packing the dogs in right now. They're very excited. We're going to a spot called the Firefly Circle. We've never been there before. We're just kind of trying it out. There's other spots around if that one doesn't work out. It's about a 45-minute drive there. So, we'll see you then. People. Ready? Whoa, wow. Never been camping together before. So this is the camping spot we're at. We found it on ioverland, the app. It says it's called Firefly Circle. It's a pretty nice spot in Camp Shelby. Definitely room for a lot more vehicles, so you can camp with multiple people here. Someone tried to come in while we were setting up, but we already beat them to the spot, thank God. And dogs running around, going crazy. Got Gabby making sandwiches, and then we'll cook dinner later. Maple! Maple, Maple! Maple really wants a sandwich. Getting all set up. Come on, baby. Taking the pups for a walk before we cook dinner. The sun's gonna go down a little bit. The dogs are so crazy, so we're getting some energy out of them. Sit. Good girl. Go ahead. Still got all the energy in the world.
Probably will sleep good tonight though.
Yeah. We're cooking, Mama.
Tamales!
Yeah, perfect Thanksgiving dinner.
Right.
you go. Some masa. Alright, so we finished up our tamales. We're finish off the day with some chai tea, or just chai. Before it gets dark, because the sun's going down really fast. Get the pups in bed. We'll call it a night. Now I got all the dogs wound down. Ran out of energy. Sipping on some tea. Yeah. Just gonna wind down. Maybe watch a movie or something. We'll see you in the morning cooking breakfast. Alright, so first night in the tent, all four of us. How do you think it went?
In the tent, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
It's pretty spacious. But the only complaint I have is we usually feed the dogs the farmer's dog diet. And because we were traveling and stuff, they ran out basically. And we've had to feed them kibble for a few days now until the new shipment comes. And they've been farting so much.
So much.
It stinks so bad in that tent.
And of course, you didn't. I mean, it stank while you were in there, but when you were to leave and come back,
yeah,
your hit would just booty.
Burn your eyebrows off. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so we're all packed up. The pups are kind of tired. We're going to rip it down some roads before we head out all the way home. But yeah, that's it for the Thanksgiving camping adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.